This secret feature will change your job search completely. Open your LinkedIn landing page. It also works on your phone. Super important. Don't go to the job search now. No, use the regular search instead. Enter a term, for instance, UX, an industry, a location, job title, anything that interests you. Then hit search. Now you will see a lot of different posts with that specific keyword. Still, don't click on jobs yet. Go to posts. Once you're in posts, open content type. Next, go to the categories and select job posts. Also, click on that and now we only see real posts from hiring managers or, in some cases, recruiters. It depends on who posts what, but you will find way more relevant opportunities here. You can also sort and filter everything based on your needs. Here's an example of such a post. There are also many other filter options. For example, you can limit it to your network. Let's try it again with Finance New York. Keywords and location also work. You can basically enter anything. Thanks to this list and this secret feature, you'll be far ahead of everyone else in the job hunting game. Use these posts to connect with hiring managers, send a quick message, introduce yourself, and make yourself visible. Fingers crossed. Good luck! Find more career tips and insights on my Medium blog and grab my free resume template on Figma. Enjoy hands-on tips or customize it with AI. Super smart. All links are right below in the description. If you're building a global career, like and subscribe to Niche Careers, stay ambitious, and see you soon!